Hey guys, it's the second time out with my new air mattress. This is the new version of the Trekology ul80. It's got this concave, helps you stay centered on your pad. It actually works pretty good. It's about a R2 value on the insulations. Not much, but you know, it's a good pad. Also got the Trekology Aluft 2.0 pillow with the pillow strap. Probably one of the best things that I have right now. I love my Trekology pillow. I've been using them for a few years now. I still have my Aluft 1.0, which I still love. I love the color and the coyote, but this one's in blue. This one's got a little texture to help hold it to the pad a little better too. But yeah, it's actually a very good sleep. Only thing that that's a tent. Only thing I really don't like about this pad is the air valve. It's the same as all the other air valves, but it's just a little bit bigger. So like the air sac, the inflator sac from like the old other air mattresses won't fit. It's a little bit bigger. If you have a little air pumps, most of the little air pump I have won't work too well in it. That's the only bad thing about this air mat. But everything else is great. This is my second time out on it. It's holding up. It's holding air, which is the most important thing. Like I said, it's only got a R2, I think, 1.8 to a 2 R value on it, which is, I mean, for just a standard, you know, warm weather sleep pad. It's nice.